Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde hinted that BJP's Ab Ki Baar 400 Par slogan during the Lok Sabha election campaign has backfired. He stated that a negative narrative was set among people by the opposition regarding constitutional changes and reservation removal due to this slogan. He also said that this majority harmed the party's prospects. The Chief Minister highlighted that opposition parties spread false propaganda, suggesting that if the NDA won more than 400 seats, the constitution would be amended. This narrative became a topic of discussion among the public, impacting the electoral outcomes, particularly in Maharashtra.
इसके अंदर कुछ फॉल्स नैरेटिव सेट करने की वजह से ये कुछ जगह पर हमें नुकसान हुआ है। महाराष्ट्र में भी नुकसान हुआ है। संविधान बदलेंगे, ये होगा, रिजर्वेशन जाएगा, फलाना होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला था। लेकिन 400 पार वाला आंकड़ा जो है उसके वजह से लोगों के दिमाग में एकदम ऐसी बात हो गई कि ये सब आगे जाके कुछ गड़बड़ होगी।
In Maharashtra, remember, the BJP's tally dropped to just 9 seats from the 23 that it won back in 2019. Shiv Sena under Eknath Shinde's leadership secured 7 seats, while Ajit Pawar's NCP managed to win only 1 seat in this Lok Sabha election. Let me go across to my colleague Shweta for more on this. Shweta, post the Lok Sabha election results, this is statement coming in from Eknath Shinde. Is it reflecting some sort of rift within the alliance? A lot of angst, of course, in Maharashtra within the alliance after the cabinet berths were allotted as well.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, what we understand is that political turmoil has once again taken place in the state of Maharashtra. Firstly, talking about Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Now, while addressing CPCA meeting in Sahyadri, he stated that the very figure of 400 Par had somewhere created apprehension in people's mind. Now, all people were having false narrative, false notions about what if they get 400 Par. Is the constitution is going to change or the reservation is going to be removed? So many thoughts were popping in people's mind, and this is the reason why we have suffered losses. We have suffered losses in the state of Maharashtra as well. Now, very categorically speaking, he has also stated that 400 Par was something that has not gone well with the people, and they were apprehending something wrong is going to happen. After this, we have also seen the opposition taking jibe on the figure which was already given by NDA, stating about 400 Par. But here, CM speaking about the numbers, stating that this particular number did not do well. In fact, people got somewhere scared of this number, that something major is going to happen. After this, he also stated that PM has worked wonders in past 10 years. But what comes to the fore is understanding that what has happened exactly in Lok Sabha election. Now, talking about Eknath Shinde faction, Shiv Sena, they backed 7 seats. BJP, instead, they out of 28 seats, they were contesting on 28 seats, but they just bagged 9 seats. Here, the entire conflict also aroused when people were thinking that some way or the other that Eknath Shinde faction would be getting at least cabinet berth or MOS berth, but that did not happen.